Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Kik login problems, verification and account errors step by step clearly. First, ensure you are entering the correct username and password. Check for any typos or incorrect characters in your login credentials. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to initiate the recovery process. Follow the instructions sent to your registered email to reset your password. After resetting your password, try logging in again with the new credentials. If you encounter verification issues, check your email for any verification messages from Kik. Look in your spam or junk folder in case the email was filtered there. Click on the verification link in the email to confirm your account. If you don't receive the verification email, try resending it through the Kik app or website. Ensure that you are using the same email address you registered with when attempting to resend the verification. Sometimes, account errors may arise from using the app's outdated version. Update your Kik app to the latest version to resolve any technical glitches. If you're still experiencing issues, clear the app's cache or your browser's cache and cookies. Reopen the app or website and try logging in again. If none of these steps work, consider contacting Kik's customer support for further assistance. Provide them with your account details and a description of the issue for quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your login problems efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.